If you're dropshipping in 2026, your supplier can literally make or break your entire business. You can find the perfect product, build an amazing store, even create ads that start generating sales. But none of that matters if your supplier takes 3 weeks to deliver the product, sends inconsistent quality, eats into your margins, or can't actually keep up once you start scaling. And that's why today I want to show you the supplier I've been personally using on my own stores. It's completely free to get started. There's no monthly subscription. You get access to private product sourcing, competitive pricing, fast global fulfillment, custom branding, print-on-demand products, quality control, and an entire fulfillment system that can grow with your business. And instead of just sitting here telling you how great it is, I'm gonna take you inside the actual platform. I'll show you how I find products, how private sourcing works, how much products actually cost, the shipping times you can expect, how to connect your store and automate fulfillment, and some of the features I think most dropshippers don't even realize they have access to. So whether you're launching your first store or you're already getting orders and you need a supplier that can keep up as you scale, by the end of this video, you'll know the exact platform I'm currently using and how you can get started today. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. If you've tried dropshipping before, you know the usual complaints. 30 to 40 day shipping time from overseas, zero branding, your customer gets a plain bag with a shipping label from a country you never mentioned, and when something goes wrong, you're emailing a support team that takes 3 to 5 days to reply, if they even reply at all. Teemdrop was built to fix those 3 problems specifically, so let's go through it. First is shipping. Teemdrop backs an actual 8-day guarantee for US and Europe orders. Deliver late and they refund your shipping fee entirely, no questions asked. And this isn't just marketing, these are real numbers. 93% of their US and Europe orders are delivered in 8 days or less, and 90% ship out within 24 hours, thanks to their hyper-local warehousing. Compare that to the 30 to 40 day shipping that's still normal with a lot of overseas suppliers. And their tracking accuracy is over 99% across their active orders, so you're not left guessing where a package actually is. And then second, you have custom branding. This is one that most free or cheap suppliers don't offer at all, or only unlock once you're ordering in bulk. But Teemdrop lets you add your logo to packaging, custom inserts, and thank you cards from your very first order. No minimum order required. So you guys can see all these different examples of their branding and custom packaging down here. And if there's something that you want that isn't on this list already, you can reach out to them directly and they'll be able to source it for you. So you can do anything like custom boxes, poly mailers, your logo on your product, thank you cards, gift cards, bags, or anything else. This is what turns a random package into something that looks like it came from an actual brand, which matters more than people think for repeat customers and reviews. Then third, you have your print on demand. If you want to sell your own designs without holding inventory, Teemdrop has an entire print on demand option built in. It's all done on the same platform. So whether you sell dropshipping products, print on demand products, custom products, anything you sell, you can source directly on Teemdrop. You guys can see how it all works down here. You're gonna go ahead and pick your print on demand product. If you don't see it on here already, just reach out to your agent. And the design process is super smooth and simple to start. So this is by far one of the best print on demand suppliers if that's the route you wanna go as well. Then fourth, this is the one that actually surprised me. Every account gets a private sourcing agent, an actual person on WhatsApp who sources products for you and answers any questions you might have. And this is completely free. It's included on every single account. This is not an upsell, it's not a premium feature or anything like that. You guys can see these sample messages right here from one of my own brands and the agent that I'm working with, all through Teemdrop. And this is genuinely rare. Most suppliers this cheap don't give you a human at all, let alone one who's proactively finding you products. And then fifth, we have their actual pricing, because free usually makes people very suspicious. Teemdrop doesn't charge a monthly fee. You don't have to pay to browse products, source suppliers, or even use the platform at all. You pay for the product and fulfillment cost only when an order actually comes in. This means zero risk to testing new products. You're not paying $30 to $60 a month to a supplier tool while you're still validating an idea. Teemdrop's completely free. You can set up your account, link it to your Shopify store, and start selling these products today. And then sixth is where you can actually use this. Teemdrop connects to Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, eBay, TikTok Shop, or whatever platform you're currently running on. If you're running multiple stores across different platforms, this isn't just locked to one ecosystem. you can scale your brands accordingly. So let's walk through the actual platform now so you can see how everything works. This is the page it first takes you to when you log in right here. You can see this entire catalog of different Teemdrop products. Then you can access the 1688 or Taobao catalogs as well. Typically, you can't even access these two sites without an agent, so that's already a bonus. But from what I've seen, Teemdrop suppliers are gonna have every dropshipping product you'll ever wanna sell. And if they don't have it on here already, just reach out to your agent. And here's their AI-powered sourcing tool. So if you don't find a product on their catalog, you can select new sourcing right here and fill in all of these details about your actual product, and they'll go ahead and source it for you within 24 hours. So you can go ahead and search for a product and it's gonna pull matching suppliers with pricing comparisons so you're not guessing. Then for any new product you come across, you can list it to your store in one click with this button right here. All you have to do is select your Shopify store, fill in your product details, your pricing, your images, your description, click list now, and it's live on your Shopify store. So you can connect your Teemdrop account and upload dozens of products to your Shopify store in just a couple of minutes and start testing them tonight. And then all of your orders sync up automatically inside Teemdrop. You guys can select purchase order over here on the left-hand side, and you're gonna see all of your different orders as they come in. All you have to do is click on this little checkbox right here, click pay, and you can pay for all of your orders every single day with just one click. And this beats AliExpress where you're going through one at a time and individually placing your orders. All you have to do is log in once every single day, click fulfill, and all of your orders are gonna be sent out in that same day. Then they'll go ahead and update your Shopify order page with the actual tracking. That way your customers can track their order until it actually arrives at their doorstep. This is gonna save you on a ton of customer service emails, refunds, and chargebacks because they know where their order is this entire time. So that's by far one of the best suppliers of 2026, and I hope this full breakdown helped you understand exactly why. So in case you wanna try them out yourself, I'll leave a link for Teemdrop down below. You can go ahead and create your free account and get started with them today. But I also have a ton of extra resources down there as well, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.